This was by far one of the hardest fought victories for the Cowboys all season long, but they were able to get it done in their wild card playoff game, 24-20 over the Detroit Lions. 4 big plays in the fourth quarter. It all started right here on the 42-yard line when Tony Romo went to his old standby, Jason Witten, on 4th and 6 and converted.
Tony and I have done that for a long time. You know, it's a little option route. He checked it to it at the line. And, you know, gutsy call by Coach Garrett.
Big play number 2 right here in the back of the end zone. 3rd and 7. The Cowboys had to get 7 points, and they did. Tony Romo finding Terrence Williams for the go-ahead score, 24-20 Cowboys.
I figured that Tony was about to throw the fade to Dez whenever he slid up, and so I was trying to just get on my back foot, and the ref, I mean, he caught it, but it's like one of those things that I didn't let it get to my mind, and I told Tony in the huddle that if he gave me a chance, I got him, and I'm sorry for doing that.
Big play number 3 almost broke 91,000 fans in this building's hearts. Anthony Spencer got a sack on Matt Stafford. DeMarcus Lawrence recovered it. Cowboys win the game, right? No, he tried to run the ball and fumbled it back to the Lions, but the Cowboys defense would have the final say.
My team helped me out a lot. The defense, JJ just came up to me, told me, hey, keep your head in the game, and then go back out there and make another play. I mean, the team is just a group of guys that believe in each other.
Rookie DeMarcus Lawrence would get his redemption, though, a few plays later. He sacked Matt Stafford, forced a fumble. This time he got it and stayed on top of it. Tony Romo comes out, takes a knee. Cowboys victorious 24-20. Now they're on to the divisional round against the Green Bay Packers. While it wasn't how they drew it up today, they certainly will take it.
The way the game started and the way this team just continued to fight, it's been that way all year. We come from behind, just kind of stay together. Nobody really blinks at it. It's a special group, you know.
But we knew that we were just going to keep fighting. We knew we weren't going to, you know, just sit there and fold over and let them win. And in the past, we might have done that, but this year was different, and we knew going down early we just had a long game ahead of us. And offense was able to battle back and help us get along, and defense was able to conceal it and finish it.
It's now on to Lambeau Field for the Dallas Cowboys, taking on the Green Bay Packers in the divisional round of the playoffs. Remember, the Cowboys were a perfect 8-0 on the road this year. They feel very confident going up to historic Lambeau Field and getting a victory. From Cowboys Stadium in Arlington, Texas, Eric Sullivan, CBS 19 Sports.